Welcome to our DIY journey. Today, we're crafting a rustic farmhouse table that'll become a cherished family heirloom. Let's start by gathering our materials. We'll explore affordable wood options that give that perfect rustic charm. Next, assemble your toolkit. These must-have tools will ensure successful construction of your farmhouse table. Now, let's craft the tabletop. We'll join 2x10 boards using pocket holes for a sturdy surface. Creating breadboard ends adds both stability and style to your tabletop, a classic farmhouse touch. For the base, we're modifying a traditional design for extra width and sturdiness. We'll attach aprons and a stretcher to reinforce the framework, ensuring your table lasts for generations. Sanding is crucial for that smooth finish. I'll share my techniques for getting it just right. For a vintage look, try this optional aging technique using steel wool and vinegar. Want to customize? Here are tips on modifying the size and leg options to suit your space. For all you beginners out there, here are some pro tips to help you avoid common pitfalls. Remember, imperfections add character. Those softwood dents that develop over time, they're part of your table's unique story. Ready to create your own rustic farmhouse table? Click the link below for more detailed instructions and tips.